Hi children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So children, let's start our first activity for today, which is rainy creatures and rainy birds. Let's see what are the learning objectives for this activity. The learning objectives for this activity are introduce rainy creatures and rainy bird. Learn about rainy creature and rainy bird to revise rainy season. The resources which are required for this activity are a picture of peacock, snail and frog. So children, let's start our activity. So children, in this whole week we have learned many things about rainy season. What all things we learn children? We learn about when did we have our rainy season. The rainy season comes after summer season. And what type of weather is found in rainy season? There is mostly cloudy weather. When you look outside in rainy season, what you can see? Dark and grey clouds. Little black and grey color clouds. You can't see sun. And what all things children? In rainy season, if we have to step out from our house, we have to carry a umbrella or a raincoat, and we have to wear gum boots, otherwise we'll get wet. And what all things children we can see in rainy season? We can see thunder, and we can hear thunder, and we can see rainbow, and we can see lighting, and we have done a craft on rainbow, and we also recited a rhyme on thunder, which was I hear thunder. After doing all these things children, I have some questions for you. So can you tell me that have you ever played out in the rain? Have you? What did you see when you played out in the rain? Can you tell? When we play out in the rain, we can see water puddles and clouds in the sky. Have you ever seen rainy creature when it's raining? Have you seen any rainy creature children? During rains, we can see many rainy creatures which like to stay in water puddles or like to come out when it rains. So let's see who are these rainy creatures. So first one is this. Which animal is this children? Can you see this? Yes, it is a frog. Frogs are also a rainy creature. They love to stay in water puddles. And when it rains, we can see lots of frogs jumping around in water puddles. Have you seen children? Frogs have long hind legs and a short body. Webbed feet. You can see in this picture. And their eyes bulge out. They look big. You can see in this picture. And they have sticky tongue. Most frogs live in water, but move easily on land by jumping or climbing. Children, have you heard voice of a frog? Let's hear. This is sound of a frog. Let's see. What's our next creature? Can you see this children? Can you tell me which animal is this? Snail is small animal with a soft body, spiral shell and they move slowly, 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 slowly. They have very soft body, as you can see in this picture, and they are very small in size. They use their shell as a home as well as protection from other creature. As they have soft body now, so they use this shell for their protection. Have you ever seen a snail before, children? The body of snail is slimy and its shell is very hard, like a turtle. Have you seen turtle, children? Like turtle only, snail also has soft body, but the shell of snail is very hard. They use it for their protection. Let's see what our other creature or bird is. Can you see this? Can you tell me which bird is this, children? Huh? This is peacock. Have you ever seen a peacock, children? Do you know that peacock is the largest flying bird? Largest. Peacock are seen dancing when it rains. Peacock likes to dance in rains like us. They like to dance when it rains. They have beautiful feathers which are blue, green and orange in color. Children, can you spot blue and green color in this picture? Yes, they have blue, green and orange color in their feathers. And do you know, children, that peacock are called National Bird of India. They are known as National Bird of India. They are National Bird of India. And have you heard the voice of a peacock? Let's hear.